guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja, and today I'm going to be coming to you guys with another girl chat video. Okay, now this has been another highly requested, like, you know, when I say highly requested, y'all want to know what's the top 5 red flags to avoid in 2022. Okay, so anyways, if you guys are new here, I do girl chats on this channel. You guys know I also have a mukbang channel called it's actually called Personal PB. So yeah, I have a mukbang channel called Personal PB. A lot of you guys are from here, so if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure that you guys subscribe. And yeah, today we're gonna be doing top 5 red flags to avoid in 2022. Okay? Because it's not giving this for the next couple of years. And I just feel like this is like the top 5, like, that don't lie. Okay, this is what we not doing. This is what we not gonna let slide. This is not what we gonna just let fly by. None of that. And if I rhyme a lot, it's because I'm a mom. I swear, I used to rhyme a lot when I was before, but like with a baby, like I make everything to a song. Don't judge me. So anyways, that's what we're gonna be talking about today. Make sure that you guys comment down below what other topics or anything that you guys want advice on or want me to speak about, anything. Comment down below so I can have, you know, ideas for my next video. But yeah, nothing more, nothing less to say. Let's get into this video, okay? Wow, that really rhymed. I'm really nice with it now. I don't know what's gotten into me. Anyways, you guys know I have my phone right here. And basically, because I like to jot things down, I like to come on here and just freestyle, off the top of the brain. Freeball sounding crazy. But anyway, I'm not going to edit that out. Okay, so the first and foremost, the one I really want to mention is someone who lies. Okay, so while you're dating someone, if they lie, kick them to the curb. Wherever you want to kick them to, that's where they gotta go. Especially about little things. We can't do that. We can't. And there's no excuse. At our age, and I mean like, I want to say 21 and up, it's no need for you to be lying. Like, for real. And I also have I know I got a little drinky drink, but someone who lies and you catch them, like, no. Lying is crazy. Because, all right, one, if they lie to say something to try to get you, red flag. If they lie to say something why they got you, red flag. Because that means they'll lie about anything. You can't. And then if you keep talking to the person, you stuck with their lies. And now when you moving forward, when you keep talking to them, it's like you gotta really sit there and really think to yourself like, is this nigga lying? Or is this bitch lying? You don't want to deal with that throughout the whole relationship. So when you are talking to someone or dating someone and they are lying, or you are catching them in a bold-faced lie, kick them. Okay? If you need this advice right now, if you're talking to someone who's lying, kick them. They're a liar. They're going to lie about mad shit and it's going to be draining. Period. Like, just, it's not worth it. Oh, second one is someone's living arrangements. Yeah, I said it. Living with their baby mama or their mama. Or someone who got a dirty house. And I mean that from the pit of my stomach. Okay? This is going to be so funny. But living arrangements is key. Don't talk to someone who lives with their baby mama. No. Okay? No. Oh. And I be hearing stories. I be on TikTok. And I be seeing little story times that you folks fuck with a nigga that lives with their baby mama? That's crazy. What? It's bad enough that a nigga or a guy will, like, you know, that's like living with an ex. No, they already had sex. Why wouldn't they have sex again? When he smacked and he going home to that? You think what if she take a shower? So you just think she just not taking showers while he home? What? Or like the simple things that just walking around with no bra on, but like shaping like a shirt like this, no bra. You see that? You don't think he get hard? Girl, come on. You gotta be smart. Or with their mama. That's out for me too. Unless their mom is like old or like disabled and they taking care of her. You know, like, otherwise, not happening. You just live on, like, and then you're not even paying her rent. No. And I swear this video gonna come off as harsh, but no. And I'm talking about grown folk, because I'm a grown-ass woman. But if you're young, you know, to each his own. But I mean, like, after a certain age, your man, you shouldn't even be calling him your man. That's your boo. Your little boy toy. That is not a man living at home with his mama. Unless, like, he's helping her. Like, you know, unless he's taking care of her. If he's not doing that, it's over. There's no need for him to be living at home with his mom, because that means he's living rent-free. She probably tired of him. She probably tired of him. Like, you know, like, living rent-free. She probably tired of her own son. Like, so you gonna talk to him? No. Or if you talk to a guy and his house is filthy, you don't clean up. You don't scrub your tub out. You go to his house, you can't even take a proper shower because you don't even want to touch the shower curtain. No, we're not talking to the filthy. We're not. Okay, we're not doing it. Let's get on to the next one, because I don't want to have to keep on going because we're not doing it. No is no. I said don't do it. We're not doing it. Third one is how someone treats the woman in their family. And do I really have to explain? If you are talking to a guy who disrespects their mother, their sister, their granny, if you disrespect granny, that's crazy. But like, if you are talking to a guy that disrespects women, like if they disrespect the people in their family, they disrespect women. Hands down. You're not telling me anything. Like, you talk to your mother like that? You talk to your mother like that? And I'm not even saying like in a disrespectful way, like Nick, or like some guy, like, all right, don't get me to talking, because I can't even deal with a guy who call their mother by their first name. Okay? Do not call your mother by her first name in front of me. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't take it. I wasn't raised like that. I wasn't raised like that, okay? If I'm giving your mother respect, when I see her, like, hi, Miss whoever, Miss Jeanette. How you doing, Miss Jeanette? I never told someone with the name Jeanette, so that's fire. That I just came up with that. But anyway, how you doing, Miss Jeanette? Like, you know, I don't want to walk in the house, you be like, Jeanette. Like, you call your mother her first name? That's so ugly. Like, at least mom, you gotta respect the woman in your family. If they're not doing it, I'm not talking to you. Period. I just feel so uncomfortable. And if you talk to someone like that, I can only imagine how you gonna talk to me. We're not doing that. They gotta have the utmost. Put your mother, your grandmother, your sister, all them females on a pedestal while talking to me. I want to see it. That's impressions, okay? That's first impression, second impression, whatever. When I see it, I respect it. If you're not doing it, I don't respect it. And I don't want to talk to you. Okay, ladies? If they ain't respecting their mama, they ain't gonna respect you, period. I don't care if they don't like her. Okay? You don't have to like someone to respect them. And don't let these guys put that in your brain like, oh, you know, like she did some foul shit to me. Nigga, that's your mother. Like, you know, like, respect her. And if they ain't doing that, cut them off, y'all. For real. Because we're not doing that. We're not doing that. I'm sorry. You calling your mother Jeanette? And I'm calling her Miss Jeanette? It's no way. It's No way. Okay, y'all, so this is the fourth one. This is one of the biggest red flags that I want us ladies to understand is a male that does everything for social media. And when I say that, I mean a man that buys you gifts and records you opening them up. Or like a guy that buys you gifts and posts your gifts on Instagram. Or say for instance, like a guy opens up your door for you, but he boomerangs it, like him opening up the door for his lady or some shit. I can't do it. Cause now it's just so obvious that you only doing it for the social media. Especially if when the cameras is off and you're not acting like that. You're not like, oh, are you recording this? Like, you just can't, like, it's not reality. They're not living in reality. And granted, maybe it's not a bad thing for a guy to record opening your gifts and gifting you certain things. It's not a bad thing, okay? But I mean, like, you could tell when something is genuine and you could tell when someone wants recognition for something. Like, when you really mess with someone and they really, like, fuck with you and they want to do for you and stuff like that, they don't have to post it. Like, like, or a guy that takes you out to dinner and posts the tab. Corny, tomato. Like, like, don't do that. Don't date these men. You know why? Because whatever lifestyle they living right now, it's gotta be something in their brain that they need to, like, some type of, what can I say, like, it's like, I guess it's like an accomplishment. Granted, it could be an accomplishment, but they want people to know that what they doing is it's real weird. And I feel like when they're probably not used to it yet. Like, you understand? Like, it's like, I feel like certain guys that's used to doing these things don't post it. The guys that is not used to doing it and not used to buying a girlfriend gifts or buying, like, doing things for they, like, woman, that's when they post about it. That's when they want other people to see what they doing. Like, they need some type of, energy in their back, like, because they think, like, they real, like, a boss Montaigne, and it's not that. Because y'all wouldn't be doing this if it was no Instagram. Like, be careful. Be careful out here, okay? City boys is up. They know what they doing. Now, they, like, when they, like, and I feel like, behind their head, when guys do certain shit for social media and not real life, they want other bitches to see. Oh, you want other bitches to see you buy me gifts. Like, that's what, like, it's not just because they want to buy you gifts and they want people to know and they just posting it for the love. No. It's a reason behind that, y'all. Don't be fooled. Okay? Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Like, if a nigga do some romantic shit for you, like take you to a hotel and buy you gifts, and they fiending to record you do it, like, open your gifts and, nigga, why is the camera on me? Like, what if I want to jump up and do some wild shit for you? Like, you feeling this throw Instagram or TikTok, whatever? Put the camera away. Especially if they don't do it in real life. Like, I mean, like, without recording, like, it's obvious. Like, okay, this is for the gram. Okay. Now, I feel like this one is really, like, top 5. Mainly because I know a lot of women that date guys that either smoke, drink, pills, whatever the case may be. 2022, I guess it's like, y'all think it's okay to date a guy who's not, like, like, sober most of the time. Like, I don't know what it is, but I feel like this is top 5 because it's important. Like, long term and for now. And this one is basically dating a guy who acts different when they're intoxicated. Whether it's they're drunk, whether it's they're tipsy, whether if they smack, like, high off of weed, whether they taking lean, Percocets, whatever. When you are dating a guy and you could tell the shift between being sober and, like, intoxicated, red flag. Red flag. that is a red flag. You need to run. Like, you should be able to enjoy your man or enjoy his personality sober, and whether or not like you're okay with them doing drugs. Like, you know, like, you need to be okay with it. Like, come on. I know some people who either they drink, smoke, or whatever they do, perps, whatever, and they're either a better person, and that's the only time they girl like to be around them is when they smacked, which is like crazy. Or like, say for instance, like your man or like whoever you dating only have good sex when they do drugs. Red flag. Like, you gonna deal with that forever? Like, that's what we doing? Like, you gonna, that's your end goal? Like, what is your end goal with that? Like, we're not doing that, ladies. That's shame. That's so corny. Or whether or not they drink, smoke, do pills, whatever, lean, and they're like meaner. Like, they mean when they on that type of drug, and it's like they always want to do it. And it's like they either start abusing you, and they use that like as a excuse that, oh, I was smacked, I didn't know I was doing this or do that. No, like, and I promise you, I'm not even trying to say like dating someone that does those things is a red flag. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying dating someone and their mood swings and their actions and everything is off, like either good or bad. It's not a good sign for you. It's a major red flag. Run. Like, don't even settle for that. And I hear a lot of people talk about this shit like red flags, but nobody mentions the drugs that these boys is doing. Like, even girls, okay? Because the girls are sniffing now. I heard girls sniffing, okay? But no, in all reality, I think it's girls that watching, so you're asking about men. But a lot of these men is on something, whether it's liquor, weed, or perks, whatever they doing. I'm not even hit, but I could, like, it's a red flag. That's like even like when you date, or if you chilling with a guy and y'all drinking and the vibe is fire, but when he's sober, he feels shy and dull. That's a red flag. Don't settle for that. Because you know why? You're gonna always want to get drunk or see that person either without intoxicated in order to have a good time. And it's like, you shouldn't. That's not a vibe. Like, that's really not a vibe. It's not a vibe. It's not. So those are my top 5 red flags. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what the videos you guys want to see from me. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I do post. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have a nice day.